Good morning student. Today we are going to discuss sample papers. First question, what kind of activity is a person with endomorphic body build most suitable? Endomorphic persons are fatty persons. Those persons who are fatty. Endomorphic persons are good in strength activity. They have more strength. Endomorphic persons have more strength. So option C is the correct answers. Pre-tournament tasks are done before the tournament. Tournament, it is a series of competitions between number of teams or competitors to decide a winners. So before the tournament, pre-tournament tasks means before the tournament. When was Harvard step test developed? Harvard step test was developed in 1943 by Bruha to measure the cardiovascular fitness of an individual. Normal blood pressures of the body should be 120 to 80, systolic 120 and diastolic 80. This is not a part of baromotor's ability test. Push-up. Push-up is not a part of baromotor's ability test. The disorders in which the person is impulsive and hyperactivity. It is ADHD. When a person suffers from ADHD means attention deficit hyperactivity disorders. Name the deformity in which the persons bend toward one side. Scoliosis. When scoliosis, it is a deformity of the spine in which the vertebral columns bend sideward. One soleus comes downward and other soleus is bent upward. The cause of scoliosis may be due to lifting heavy weight on one side, obesity, leg length difference, undeveloped strength, etc. And it can be correct through Trikonasana, Tadasana, etc. Suggest one endurance test for grandmothers. 6-minute walk test. 6-minute walk test. It is test to measure the endurance of a senior citizen. Give two examples of third law of motions. Third law of motions, also known as law of actions and reactions. For every actions there is equal and opposite reactions. For examples, in a swimming, a swimmer pushes the waters backwards. In returns, water pushes him forward. And second examples like the athletes push the starting block backward, and in returns the athlete is pushed forward. Mentions Selden trait or personality. Selden classified the human personality into three types according to the body structures, according to the size and structures of the body. That is endomorphic, mesomorphic and ectomorphic. Endomorphic means those persons who are fatty. Endomorphic means fatty persons. They have large fat in their body. Usually they are short in height, large round body, short neck, short leg, wide hip, etc. They are weak in physical activity, but they have more strength. They are good in weightlifting, etc. Mesomorphic means muscular body structures. They are medium in height, broad chest, strong leg, arms, etc. Usually they are good in almost all activity. And ectomorphic means lean and thin persons. They have narrow face, shoulders, chest, hip. They have low fat in their body, and ectomorphic have less strength, and whereas they have more endurance. Therefore they are good in long distance activity like marathon running, cross country, etc. Make a list of different type of coordinative ability. Coordinative ability, it is a types. Coordinative ability means ability to perform the movement perfectly and efficiently. Means ability to change the movement or position of body in shortest time without getting disbalance. There are different types of coordinative ability like coupling ability, reactions ability, balance ability, orientation ability, adaptive ability, and rhythmic ability. These are the types of coordinative ability. Coupling ability, it is also known as combinatory ability. It is the ability to join one movement with others to perform better performance. Means ability to put partial movement together into more complex movement. Reactions ability means ability to react immediately to a signal. Balance ability means ability to keep the body or its parts in a stable positions. Orientation ability means ability to analyze and change the movement of the body and its parts, on the base of change in time and place. On the base of time and place of the field. For example, during playground, changing the movement of eye and hand, etc. Adaptive ability means ability to adjust the motor activity on the base of comparisons or anticipations of new or changing conditions while performing the movement. Rhythmic ability means ability to understand the rhythm of movement and express the movement in a very graceful manner. What is rapid form methods of Harvard step test? Harvard step test was developed by Bruha in 1943 to test the cardiovascular fitness of an individuals. In this, the athletes has to step up and step down on a gym bench for 5 minutes or until exercise at a rate of 30 steps per minute. And after that, the assistant measured the pulse rate as pulse 1 for 1 minute or 30 seconds. After 1 minute recovery, the assistant again measured the pulse rate at pulse 2 for 1 minute or 30 seconds. After 2 minute recovery, and against the assistants measured the pulse rate as pulse 3 after 3 minutes of recovery. And then the computations of fitness index is physical fitness index is durations of exercise in second into 100 upon 5.5 into pulse count between 1 to 1.5 minutes exercise. What is the purpose of back scratch test? Back scratch test is used to measure the upper body flexibility of the senior citizen. Okay, it is used to measure the general range of motion of the shoulders of the senior citizen. What is the formula for dividing the by into upper and lower half? By, it is a sort of privilege given to a team to play in the next round without playing first round. The team which get by will directly play in the second round, and the process of giving the bye is uh, if the number of bye is even, then bye in the upper half and lower half is number of bye upon 2, and in case if the number of bye is odd, then the number of bye in upper half is nb, number of bye minus 1 upon 2, and in lower half nb plus 1 upon 2. Bye in lower half is always one more than the upper half. This is the formula for calculating the number of bye in upper half and lower half. Write a few Pawan Muktasan contraindications. Pawan Muktasan contraindication. In Pawan Muktasan, the persons who suffer from severe back pain, hernia during pregnancy, etc. should avoid Pawan Muktasan. Write any two functions of diet. First, balanced diet. Balanced diet is the diet which contain all the nutrients, that is carbohydrate, protein, fats, vitamin, minerals in a correct proportion. And the functions of balanced diet is it provide adequate energy. It provide adequate diet provides sufficient energy for the performance of metabolism work. All the nutrients help in the proper growth and development of the body, as well as fighting against disease and infections. First, the main functions of diet is it provides sufficient energy to perform various activities of the individuals, optimum growth and development of the body, proper functioning of organs. Proper balanced diet helps in proper functioning of various organs or system of the human body. Faster recovery. If we take proper diet, there will be the fast recovery from the wounds out tissue. Our immunity system will be improved, our health status will be improved, helps in preventing the deficiency disease and maintaining the body weight. Overall efficiency of our body will improve if we take a proper balanced diet. List any two objectives of planning. Planning is four-third. It is an intellectual planning. First, planning, it is a four-third. Planning is an intellectual process of thinking in advance about setting of goal and developing strategy to achieve the goal efficiently. In planning, we think in advance what to do, how to do, when to do, etc. It is a pre-work which we do before the program. And the objectives of planning. Objectives of planning is to achieve the aim of the program. Planning are done considering the aim and objectives of the program. Consider the requirement of the program to reduce the chance of mistake. If we make a planning, it's help to reduce the chance of mistake, which improve the program. Bring up coordinations. If we make planning, it helps to maintain a coordinations between various committee, to reduce wastage of time, money, etc. Helps to make the schedules of the program, etc. These are the objectives of planning. What is lordosis? Lordosis, it is a problem. It is a posture deformity in which the lumbar spine is bent forward beyond the normal level. It is also known as hollow back. And the cause of lordosis may be due to overweight, weak abdominal muscles, overweight, obesity, weak abdominal muscle, etc. And the corrective measure for lordosis may be by doing forward bending exercise like Paschimottanasana, Halasana, forward bending exercise, alternate toe touching, sit-ups, etc. Explain disabled sports. Disabled sports are adaptive sports. Disabled sports means adaptive sports for the disabled persons. Person with disability, including physical and intellectual, take place in this sports. What is slow twist muscle fibers? Slow twist muscle fibers is known as white muscle fibers. White muscle fibers is known as slow twist muscle fiber. Those persons who have slow twist muscle fibers, they have more endurance. What is ankle strain? Strain, it is a muscle injury in which the muscle fiber is damaged or tear. Okay, it is due to overstretching of muscle. Okay, strain, it is a muscle injury in which the muscle fibers is damaged or tears. The cause, it may be caused due to overstretching of muscles or due to twisting a violent pull. It causes swelling, pain, loss of functioning, etc. And it can be prevented by doing proper warming up, avoiding overstretching, jerky movement, etc. What are the benefit of performing Pawan Muktasana? First, in Pawan Muktasanas we perform in a supine position. First we lie down in supine positions, then we keep our feet together and arms beside our body and breathe in, and when we exhale we bring our knee toward the chest and hold it beat our hand for a few seconds, and then we exhale and lie down our head downwards. It helps, it benefit it cure diabetes, it's improve our digestive functioning, cure obesity, neck spondylitis, lordosis problems, etc. Write down the cause and remedial measures of knock knee. Knock knee, it is a posture deformity in which the knee touch each others. Okay, knock knee, it is a posture deformity in which the leg are bent inwards and the knee touch each others while standing, running, walking, etc. Cause of knock knee may be due to rickets, deformity of vitamin D, weak leg muscles, obesity, early walking during childhood, calcium deficiency, etc. Okay, knock knee, the knee touch each others, our leg is bent inward, and it can be correct by performing Vrikshasana, It can be performed by performing Vrikshasana, Ardha Dhanuasana, um, Ardha Dhanuasana, Padmasana. Pillar exercise means keeping the pillars between the knees, outward walking, etc. These are the some corrective measures to correct the knock knee. Discuss the what are the cause and natures of oppositional defined disorders. Oppositionals define disorders. Oppositional defined disorders, it is a conditions which is mainly seen in the child. A child display an ongoing patterns of angry, irritation, mood, argumentative behaviors, revenge, fighting, aggressive, violent behaviors, feeling annoying, irritation, mood, unable to control their emotions, etc. And the cause of opposition defined disorders may be genetic, heredity, environmental factors, uh, etc. And its symptoms are refuse to obey their seniors, um, angry behaviors, argue, blaming others for their own mistake, lose tempers, seek revenge, blame others, easily annoyed, unable to control their emotion, etc. And the management technique are by counseling, family therapy, sympathy attitude, social skill, meditation, etc. What are the physical and physiological? This is not in your syllabus. Exercise adherence, this is also not in your syllabus. What are the common elements? It is also not. Draw or league fixtures. League tournament, it is a tournament in which every team has to play with every other's team. And league fixtures, this is a league fixtures, and the matters to decide the winners in league fixtures is by giving the points. The winner will get 2 points. For draw, both team will get 1 point, and for loss, team will get 0 point, and the team which get maximum point is declared as winner. Explain the macro components of diet. Components of diet, macronutrients and micronutrients. Macronutrients are those nutrients which are required in large quantity, that is carbohydrate, proteins, fats, waters. And micronutrients, those nutrients which are required in small quantity, vitamins, minerals, trace elements, etc. On the base of amounts of nutrients required by human body, they are classified into macro and micro. Carbohydrate. Carbohydrate, it is the main source of energy for almost all activities of an individual, and 1 gram of carbohydrate on burning give 4 calories of energy. We should take 60 to 70% of carbohydrate in our diet. Carbohydrate, they are sweet in taste, and these are absorbed quickly and soluble in waters. They provide energy for working muscles. Fat are composed of fatty acid. Fat also provides energy. 1 gram of fats on burning give 9 calories of energy. Fat are stored in our body. Therefore they act as an emergency source of energy. Fat take time for digestions, therefore we should take less amount of fat in our diet, that is 5 to 10% in our diet. Usually fats are important for long durations activities and importance for proper functioning of gland, maintenance of skin, hairs. Proteins are bodybuilding foods. Okay, proteins, they are bodybuilding food. They are help in growth and development of the muscles, helps to repair the body tissue, etc. It's had to maintains the body tissue, wear and tears of wear and tears of tissue. It include development and repairs. They also work as transportations and storage of molecules, and we should take uh, we should we should take 15 to 20% of proteins in our diet. Explain three types of disability. Disability, it is a disadvantage that affect a person's day-to-day activity. Disability, it is an impairment that affect a person's day-to-day activity. Disability, types of disability like physical impairment, intellectual disability, cognitive disability, etc. Cognitive disability, it is a neurological disorders in which the persons face difficulty in storing, processing and producing the informations, therefore face difficulty in reading, writing, speaking. Intellectual disability, it is intellectual and developmental disorders. The child face difficulty in thought process, communications, learning, problem solving, making a correct judgment, etc. And physical disability means the person's face the person's physical disability means it affects a person's ability to use their upper and lower limbs of the body. It affects a person's musculoskeletal systems, respiratory systems, nervous system, etc. Next is endurance. Endurance means ability of a person to do the activity for a long period of time. Endurance means ability to resist fatigue. Short-term endurance means usually the short-term endurance is needed in the sports where the activity is done for short durations and the speed is fast. We perform in the absence of oxygen, for example 100-meter running, 800-meter race, etc. Middle term endurance, this type of endurance is required in sports where the movement or actions is performed for at least 2 minutes to 11 minutes, for example 1500-meter race. And long term endurance, this endurance is required in the sports where the actions of movement is performed for the long durations. We perform in the presence of oxygen. Our speed is slow, like marathon running, cross country, cycling, etc. Sit and reach test. Explain sit and reach test for girls and boys of high school. Sit and reach test is used to measure the flexibility of the lower back. In sit and reach test, the person sit down on the floors. Leg is stretched ahead. The sole of the feet are placed flat against the gym bench. The knees should be locked and pressed on the floor. And he tried to stretch the hand forward as much as possible toward the box and hold the final position for a few seconds. And and the distance is measured. If it touches the box, he gets 0 point. If it does not touch, negative point. And if it overlap, he will get the positive point. Explain Newton law of motion. Newton law of motion, there are three law of motion. First law of motion is known as law of inertia. Second law of motion is known as law of accelerations, and third law of motion is known as law of actions and reaction.